Today we talk about Joseph. This is my 38th lecture on women's ministry. So as you know that Jacob had been in Haran, that Laban's place, Haran, and he had two daughters, was Leah and another is Rachel. So for getting two girls or daughters, he has to work for 14 years, 7 years for Leah or 7 years for Rachel. We have Reuben and Simon. Now the Bilhah and Bilhah and what is his name? Shilpa has got another 11, 10 sons. So he came after wives and children. Jacob came into Canaan, and so Jacob settled again in the land of Canaan, where the father had lived. Jacob's son Joseph was now 17 years old, and he had got 10 brothers from Bilhah and Zilpah. That is called half brothers. So they were not happy with them because Joseph reported his day's work, what has done. Normally these people are doing very wrong works. But Jacob was loving too much to do Joseph, and he had made a nice coat, that is a brightly colored coat, and that made other 11 brothers hated. So they became they are hating him. So once after many days or something, Joseph wanted to send Joseph to look after this fellow, what are doing or something. So he sent to this Joseph into land, and they were separating this ships. So when he arrived, and they said themselves, this is the dream teller, master dream teller has come. Because before that he has dream, he said that I have got a dream, 11 shoes will adore me, which shoes will adore me, and then another dream he was having 11 stars and moon and sun will adore me. So that makes they know very well that they have to adore this Joseph afterwards. But he will do something. So they were hating. So they said, we'll kill this Joseph and tell the story of that time Haran or Mesopotamia, that is called Mesopotamia. So killing the brothers, killing the any person, it is not a major thing for them. That is in their word, so that one person attack them, they simply kill the person. So killing it is a very normal thing for them. They are in a desert land, and desert behave of behavior is very wrong and very tough and rough behavior. So they wanted to kill this Joseph. And Joseph, when he arrived, they said, let us kill him. But Reuben was very nice brother. He told him that we should not kill him, better to put him into well. So that blood will not come. That blood will not come on our house. Means they will not fall fighting for the God. So they put into a well, and while they were having lunch, some Ismailis came. Normally, Ismailis that traveler, they traveler many spices, myrrh, or many things that they herbal things they will take to them from Mesopotamia and sell into market of Egypt. So all the camels were paying, and they said that we will go and ask this fellow if they know that sailors' business was very nice percentage there was. So they approached Ismail and said that we want to sell this arrangement. So he was a 17 or 18 years old, and he was a smart and he was very good. He was in basic very good. So they said, let us, we'll pay only 20 coins of silver, and they sold it and then put into Egypt. Meanwhile, what happened? When came, they were not with them. So when came with them and said that where is the this child? So they said we sold him. So okay, then what shall we do? How can we give the answer to our fathers? So they said let us kill the goat, and they killed the goat and put the blood into their coat, and they gone with the crying to fathers and told that do you know there is a coat? So they are very prepared person. They told that do you know the cloak? So Jacob said yes, I know. This is my son Joseph's son. Then they said that wild beast had been killed him and eaten him, so he was whipped, and he was a mourning for several days. So in Egypt, when Joseph was sold to Potiphar, the main executioner of this Pharaoh, he was sold in this Potiphar, and he was working with the Potiphar. So today this story tells us that in our life many good people are there, or many we are not bad, but since in our life also, since we are good or better, or some people are best. So some things come in the mind, some calamities, some sickness, some financial deficiency, accusation, or not project failure or something. Many things will be coming to their life. So they approach to God not to give opportunities. So in my simple saying that when Job had many captives, many goats and sheep, still because of this intervention of Satan, he has to do all the property and he has got the spiritual also. Still he was not letting go, because he said God has given me and God has given all the things that God will take me. I am not going to go. So in David's life also, David was from his child when he was 5 years. When he made the Goliath, so Goliath was believing his might. This small 17 or 18 years lad was believing on God's verses, God's power. He was not seen in the height, he was not seen in the sword. The sword, the man has to carry the sword. It was too heavy, and that was too tall. At that time, some people, giant people are some 6 or 7 feet giants were there. So we were there, but he didn't stone, small that earthly stone, it is hit and it fell down. So many times things happen. When he had become a mature person, he was a king. He has got many calamities. Absalom has left all the story. His whole life he was, but he was writing psalms. He written the psalms. Psalms are written by David, not by priest, not by big priest or not by learner man, learner scribe or something. But Psalms are written by David. Since he was once he committed a sin or something, since God doesn't what he has, but he has given the things means mind to write the psalms. That is the inspiration of Holy Spirit. That is inspiration of Holy Spirit. Is prophesied Jesus also and next coming also. And you take up one also it even if you go to Elijah's life, so Elijah's life was not happy. Even if you go to Hiskaya was a king and he wanted to die. And he has God has increased 50 years in his life. So every human being has to suffer some way, and life has got some intention, some plans, some goal. God has created you and me. There is a goal in us, you and me. I'll give you my example. I am from a very poor family. I have to walk 7 kilometers for schooling because in our village there was only for fifth standard school, and then we have to go to 5 to 7 kilometers. So I have to go on walking, and then but God has given me tremendous memory. I can recall all the slokas. Even that time when 5th or 6th English was starting, so I used to have some verbalize all the spellings. Teacher is to come and they said, "Government spell this properly, spell this word." So once he said we got neighbor, goal, comes to okay, this something. I explain language. So God made me. So learn that fellow. I was a religious fellow. Religious stories, many stories. So they didn't accept me because I was at 11 failed. And then I did my I got a 2 degrees of postgraduate degree. So then I met that fellow. They said, "Father, I have got a 2 degrees, and you are denied to me for priesthood something." They said it happens. It is sometimes people make mistakes. I said you made the mistake because you have not given me permission to become a priest. Because that time I was at 7 standard. So many things happen. All things are happen, and God makes all these scattered things along with Him, and He built one thing out of these scattered things. He built the one thing and make His goal perfectly. In Joseph life, people will say, so he lived in Canaan. He was a one God worshipper. And brothers were not good. They sold him, and he has put into this slavery under a Potiphar. You know all the story of Joseph. So how he become a king or something. But we will come to here only till the prison. The next lecture I will talk about this. But God's every moment, every calamity, God stands for us, and He has got His intention, His goal, His all the things, He has all the measured all the things. Many things in life, many things go astray, many things got here and there, like if you go to a computer something, they mix up the picture or something, that picture sometimes broke or something, and again within a second we can see the whole picture. So that's some in our life, in teenage, in young age, in the old age, everything happens here and there. But God has very good plan for you, for me also, and He helps every moment, if you realize or not realize, because earth rotates and days every day comes and goes down, so the rotates, so we also rotate every second of our journey. God is with us, and He and all His calamity. People are troubling us, people are joking us, people may put into trouble. What we have not accomplished our work also. They may into trouble. But since every time if God will put the trust in God, if you humble to His feet and put ourselves in His hand, like Joseph has put on. He was praying to God. He was a very close to his father, and he knows the prayers. He knows the one God they were believing, and he was praying. He was very trusted in God. He may be telling all his Abraham, Isaac, all the story. He might be telling to him every devotion thing, and how God has promised, and how God has he said that I bring you to Canaan, and you are ancestors will be like a stars or something. So he might have telling every day stories, all the stories in his mind, and he was a firm belief. So he has taken out from that well and sold for 20 pounds of silver to the Potiphar, and he stays in that Potiphar's house as a slave. But God rescued him. So I may pray to God that any calamity, any problem, God will solve it today.